this channel is fully sponsored by Lima Feed Machineries. And I said once again, my name still remains Odutola Isa Abiodun DTM, a representative of Lima Feed Machineries in Nigeria. So today I'll be talking about one of our products which we call the extruded fish feed machines. Let me just give you a little bit introduction of the machine. Extruded machines are machines meant to produce floating fish feed. They are floating fish feed pellet. These fish feed pelleting machines is feed processing equipment that use corn, soya beans, and other grains as raw materials to produce floating fish feed pellet. The fish feed processed by our floating fish feed pelletizing machine has an advantage of high hardness, soft surface, complete internal rippings, good palatability, etc. It can effectively produce the digestion and also choose different discharged apertures according to the needs of their own fish group to obtain the best economic benefit. There are various models of our fish feed pellet machines. This ranges from 40 kg per hour to 3 to 4 tons per hour. As for 40 kg per hour to 300 kg per hour fish feed extruder, which can be powered by our electric motors or a diesel engine. This machine is very suitable for small and medium fish farmer. We provide different modes for making different sizes of fish feed from 0.8 mm to 12 mm size of feed. Lima Feed Machineries has been servicing customers with advanced technology and reliable performances for more than 20 years. Our products are exported to any part of African country, and we have many customers in Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, and other countries. We have received consistent recognition from customers in Africa, in Nigeria, and Africa as a whole. So if you need any of our product from Liman, make sure that you contact me as a representative, and I will make sure that this product gets to your doorstep, and I will make sure that we do the follow-up for you on how to manage your farm, on the basis you need to manage your farm, on the criteria you need to manage your farm, because we are working as a partnership with Lima Feed in order to suit you right. So we are here to give you the best, much needed information you need. As at present, fish farmers presently in Nigeria have agreed today to start selling our fishes for 1,800 naira per kilo, regardlessly. So with this is a boom. This is an opportunity for fish farmers in Nigeria to start making it big. So at Lima Feed Machineries, we considered you mostly. So contact the number on your screen for any inquiries you need to make on our various production. You will be seeing series of our production at the background. So once again, my name still remains Odutola Isabionu DTM, representative of Lima Feed in Nigeria. Thank you and God bless you all.